A few months ago, I saw a little plant coming out of here. Friends told me to take her out. Saw my tree that has to share its resources. Then I saw Buddha, and I was thinking, nah, cannot do that. Our lives equal. So I decided to raise the plant and see where it goes. Isn't that just beautiful? I'm so happy I gave her space and let her live. I just think she's so beautiful. And she surprised me. A few days ago, she started to bloom. Don't prevent life. Garden it. Help it to bloom.